Good day everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we're talking about how to move your PayPal funds to Apple Pay. So guys, let us begin. So firstly you need to understand the process, of course. You can't directly send money from PayPal to Apple Pay, but the trick is to link the same debit card to both accounts. So for that, open PayPal and go to Wallets. Link a debit card that's already connected to your Apple Pay or Apple Wallet. If you haven't yet, link your bank-issued debit card to both platforms. So in PayPal is going to look like this. You just go to your wallet, wait for the page to load, and as you can see, there's going to be this link a new card. And as you can see, you can link a new card in here, insert all the details, choose the region, and then press on Link Card. After that, in PayPal, you can tap on Transfer Money and transfer to your bank. So choose your linked debit card or bank accounts and transfer the amounts. Instant transfers may incur a small fee, but they're faster. Once the money hits your bank or debit card, it becomes available for Apple Pay transactions. Open Apple Wallet and ensure the same debit card is set as your default payment methods. And that's how you move your money from PayPal to Apple Pay. Subscribe for more quick financial tech tips like this one. See you next time.